Hi guys, welcome back to Leiloandoideias. As the video description says, we are on our way to Brazil. So this is gonna be an interesting international vlog for you guys. And we are here at LAX eating something before we take off. Right now it's like 9:30 a.m. and I'm gonna show you guys my very nutritious meal for this morning. I have some chicken tenders from KFC and I have a sinus headache, so my dessert is a Dayquil. Dan, how is your sandwich? Dan is unhappy today. Alright, we made it to Panama City. Our flight at LAX was crazy. It was like super fast, so I didn't really talk much over there because by the time we finished eating, we realized that our group had boarded already. But we took a Copa Airlines flight here to Panama City and it was 6 hours. Now we have less than an hour to board our flight to São Paulo, and that's gonna be interesting. So we're approaching the gate now, and stick with us. Soon we'll be in Brazil. Woo! We made it to Guarulhos. It's been a journey and it's not over yet because we are going to the south of Brazil. So when people ask me where I'm from and I say you're not gonna know, after this video you will know because we are gonna show you everything. But for now we're still in Guarulhos. So I'll tell you later about the flights we took and where we bought the tickets and everything about it. So we are here right now at the entrance of Joinville, and this is the place where you can come for information about the city and what to see and where to go. Joinville is known to have the largest dance festival in the world. It's part of the Guinness Book of Records, and because of that also we have a Bolshoi school outside of Russia. It's a very well-known school here in this South America, so a lot of kids come from all over South America to take dancing classes here in Joinville. We also have, oh look at Danny. We also have every October, I think, we have a flower festival for a couple of days. There are also like some places here that grow a lot of orchids and different kinds of plants, so it's really cool to see and go check it out. I'm gonna try to take you guys. I'm standing at a parking lot and I think people are trying to park, but I'm gonna try to take you guys on some of our touristic scenes here in Joinville so you can have an idea of what Joinville has to offer. We traveled to Brazil for Christmas and New Year's. We bought our tickets from Expedia and it had a layover in Panama, as you guys saw from the introduction of my video. We bought the tickets a while ago and Expedia was the one that had the best rates to travel here. We traveled on December 23rd and we're staying until January 3rd, and those were the best rates that we could find to travel. Our final destination is Joinville in Santa Catarina, and we are gonna stay here for most of our trip. I'm gonna show you around and I hope you guys like it, and hopefully you will enjoy it so much that you would like to come to Brazil. But if you're American and you want to come to Brazil, don't forget that you do need a visa. Normally the visas are 10 years, they are good for 10 years. So if you take it once, you can come to Brazil every year for 10 years. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Whenever you travel to the coast of Brazil, you can find really cheap seafood, especially oysters. Tonight, we're gonna have some Brazilian crab here at Caranguejo do Alemão. One thing that is always great for you to check when you travel internationally is how different some cuisines are from the United States. So tonight we are gonna have some sushi here in Brazil, and I'm gonna show you a few videos of what we order. But of course, just like the sushi in the United States is not like Japan sushi, here it's also a little different from the United States. The same goes for Mexican food, so I always try to try different cuisines in different countries just to see the differences, and that's always super cool. A great thing to do here in Brazil is hit some bakeries. You definitely need to try pão de queijo because it's awesome. So here in Joinville, one of the best ones is called São José, and we are about to go in right now, and we are very excited. Right, Dan?
Yes, very excited.
One of the latest trends here in Joinville is artisanal beer. We have one brand that is pretty big actually, and they have this park here in the city that is called PARQUE. So here you can come and you buy a card and you reload it, and you can serve your own tap beer here behind me. It's pretty cool. And also the same card you can use inside a shopping mall. They have places all around town, even including at Portugal, where you saw in the beginning of this video. So it's pretty cool. That dude is trying to decide which beer he's gonna have. And it's a good option who is coming to town. It's December 31st. The dogs on my street are already going crazy, and we are packing because we are going to the beach. So since it's summer here in Brazil, we normally celebrate with a lot of fireworks, and it's beautiful at the beach. I'm gonna try to film some for you guys. Unfortunately, sometimes because of the weather or the wind, it's hard to see because of all the smoke that comes from the fireworks, but it's normally around 15 to 20 minutes of a fireworks show, and it's pretty amazing. One thing that is good about Joinville is that it's pretty close to the beach. The closest beach is like 40-minute drive, which is not that far. This one normally takes an hour to get there. However, the 31st always has the worst traffic of the year. We are hoping to get there before lunch so we can enjoy the beach. And I'm gonna show a little bit of our trip to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It took us about an hour to make it to the beach. Say hi, Dan.
Hi.
So here we are at BRAVA Beach in Itajaí. And the nice thing here is that you don't really need to bring your own umbrellas or chairs, because if you stay by one of the restaurants from the streets here at the beach, they have everything for you. All you have to do is just to consume something, and then you can use it throughout the day. We're here at the hotel in Balneário Camboriú, and this hotel is pretty close to the shore, so we're gonna walk there to have some churros, because you guys have to understand that Brazil has the best churros ever.
No, really, the best churros you'll ever eat in your
Entire life. It's amazing. It's amazing. We're gonna show it to you right now. We are super excited. We should probably be saving our appetite for dinner, but we don't care, because we really want churros, and we need churros, and we're gonna have churros, and that's all that matters right now.
Because churros are life.
Life. Amazing. So on New Year's Eve, all Brazilians dress in white, and we try to go to the beach, and we have all these traditions, and it's pretty cool. So my family is coming over there, and they're pretty much all dressed in white clothes. And it looks like a cult, but it's not. It's just us, Brazilians, celebrating the new year to come. It's January 2nd, we're back in Joinville. Our trip is almost over. Tomorrow we head back to Los Angeles. And today we decided to do something different, because normally my mom's been cooking us lunch every day. So today we are gonna go have pastel, which is a Brazilian delicacy that it's very similar to empanadas. And honestly, if you come to Brazil and you don't eat pastel, did you really come to Brazil? Not sure. Are you excited for your pastel?
Yes, I'm very excited.
What did you order?
Hearts of palm, cheese and mushrooms, and calabresa sausage and cheese.
So our trip is coming to an end, and we are here at Navegantes Airport, which is possibly one of the worst airports in Brazil. We are going to be flying into Guarulhos, and then Panama, and then finally Los Angeles.
However, we couldn't do a lot of sightseeing or do a lot of touristy stuff because of the holidays, so we had a lot of family obligations to attend to. So that's why you're not seeing a lot of touristy stuff.
A lot of food, a lot of eating. I hope you guys really enjoyed the fireworks and
I enjoyed it.
Well, we definitely enjoyed it. And let us know if you like this kind of videos, if you ever been to Brazil, someplace different than São Paulo and Rio, and what do you think? And if you liked it or not, how was your experience? And subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.
Ciao.